Hey everyone, Dennis from DroneBlocks here. I want to announce a new feature within our simulator as well as give you just a quick preview of this Mars environment. We're about to launch a course authored by Clinton Evans, and it's going to be really cool. It takes you through many different lessons, but throughout the course you'll be able to reposition your drone. So this is a new capability within all of our environments. For example, I can go here, click on the helipad, and then spawn my drone from this location. So you have the ability now to click this location icon, pan to your desired takeoff location, click, and then be able to start your mission from there. Let me demonstrate a use case. So I'm going to show the city environment that we have, and in this environment I've set my spawn location from the default location in the park. It's right here where we normally take off. I've moved over here to this building that you can see. If I exit, it'll zoom in. And you'll notice the coordinates of 551 and 6169. So I'm going to construct a mission to go back home. So we'll just speed this up a little bit. I'll set it to 500 inches per second. And then I want to fly right in centimeters, since that's our units up here, to 6169 centimeters. That will fly right, and then we're going to fly backward 551 centimeters, and then we're going to land. Now it's probably best if I fly up a little bit just so that I don't collide with any potential buildings or walls. I'll just fly up, let's say 1,000 centimeters, make sure that that goes beneath my speed block. And let's launch. This should take us back to our default location. So we're flying right that distance. We're going to fly back, and then I'll zoom in. It takes us pretty close to right on the center of this helipad. So I wanted to share this announcement. We're really excited about this capability. We have some other cool features being released in the near future. We hope you guys enjoy, and if you have any questions or feedback, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you.